Hey everyone, this is the Girl Proprep and welcome back to my channel. Hello. So today we're going to be doing our third look for our Seasons Beatings makeup series, yes. And if you haven't watched the first one or the second one, I will just link it below in the description. Don't worry about that, guys. Today we're going to be doing our third look, and as you can see, we're going to be doing a red look, okay? It's Christmas, okay? We're going to be Mrs. Claus, but if Mrs. Claus is like Beyonce, okay? You know how Beyonce loves to do like a red lip or like fresh skin? That's what we're gonna be doing today. But because it is the holidays, we're gonna add a little sparkle, okay? And yeah, simple, easy peasy makeup. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step is to get this really dewy kind of no makeup, and we're gonna do like a foundation, a dewy foundation. And yeah, I'm just gonna quickly take you through this step by step, but like I'm gonna fast forward. I'm not gonna talk because you guys can basically see what I'm doing. You know, there is really no kind of technique, just a routine. Okay, so let's start. And first we're gonna prime our skin. Going to use this burnt orange that I used in my first video, and we are just gonna put it all over the eye and then blend it out really well, so you know it doesn't look orange, it looks kind of brown. But yeah, let's go. And then we are going to use this MAC blush in the color Lovejoy, Mineralize Blush in the color Lovejoy. I am just going to go on the outsides right there, and it's like kind of like a reddish kind of color. You'll just see now. So yeah, don't apply too much, not too dark, okay guys, not too dark. Okay, now we'll be finishing off this look with a red lip. Okay, so today we are going to be using this lip pencil from Wet n Wild in the color Berry Red or Rouge Okay, I can't read that, but it's a lip liner. Here we go. Oh, you can say that. Yeah, Wet and Wild. Okay guys, we are done with today's makeup tutorial. As you can see, what do you guys think out of 10? What do you think? I really like a red lip like this because I don't like red. I mean a dark lip and a dark eye. So yeah. And like, you know, I'm not that good with like eyeshadow. Like I just do the bare minimum, but the bare minimum can look good, guys. It can really look good if you just finesse it. Okay. Yeah, we are done with the Seasons Beatings makeup series, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing this. Let me know if you guys would like more makeup tutorials. Okay. Yes, let me know, and don't forget to comment, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to watch the other videos in the series, you know, and don't forget to try these at home and tag me if you do try these at home. You know, I love hearing back from you guys. I love hearing your feedback. And yeah, we are done. I am gonna go and enjoy the rest of my day with my family. Yeah, because I am at my grand's place, you know, get the holidays, guys. I have to go back home, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video. So bye guys.